Hey everyone, this is Dr. Lawal Sala of NYC Emerging Healthcare Technology, your go-to place if you want to learn more about blockchain, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, and web development in healthcare, and also if you want to learn more about digital health. Today's episode, I'm going to help you make your videos so much better and so much clearer. Now, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to click that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you will be able to hear and see every time I upload new videos and new contents. Today's episode, we are going to talk about this wide-angle lens which I recently discovered from Xenvo. So I think these are the parts, see? And I think these are the lenses. So it should be complete. See the lens. And yeah, let's open this one. See what we find. Ooh, interesting. I think this is what you'll find. And they're also will be having this one is for the light. Yeah. For the light, see. Lights up. This one, wiping the lens. So if I open this, use this to wipe the lens. And once you open your box, one important thing to actually read is the instructions on how to clean your lenses. So this is the lens again, and I just wanted to show you again what it looks like. And once you open the box, you'll be able to see this. So this is actually the light. So if you just click, right now it's so bright, so I don't know if you're able to see some light, but yeah, this is the light. And of course, again, very important, you need to wipe your lens with this one. And just connect it. Okay, and connect it to your camera like this. Let's do this now. So this is what a regular iPhone looks like without the lens. I just want to give you a few moments to just view the surrounding, and if you notice anything different later on once I start putting on the lens. And voila, this is what it looks like now with the lens on. If you can clearly observe, the angle is so much wider and I look so much like farther away in a sense, and it makes up for a very good, I look nicer, right? This way rather than, very close to the video camera itself. Okay, I just wanted to show this to you because I want you to be able to notice the difference, or if there's a slight difference or any difference without using any lens. So right now, I'm just using my regular iPhone without the lens, and as you can see here, this is the lens. And this is what it looks like with the lens on. And if you've clearly noticed, the angle is slightly wider, and I'm able to talk to you the same as well, but I'm a little farther from the camera, and it makes me actually look nicer in the sense. I mean, of course, you need to have better lighting than this one. But yeah, so with that, I would sincerely like to thank you for watching my video. And if you like this video, feel free to please subscribe and tell your friends about this.